what is the one piece of advice you'd give to someone from what your perspective today? And when someone's kind of getting to that point where they're feeling, stuck or shackled or burdened by their business, what the biggest advice you'd give if they wanted advice?
Yeah, and I think the wanted advice is the interesting point, is that it's hard sometimes as a CEO, a founder, a top leader of an organization to one, ask for help, to show vulnerability, to
Mm,
accept that you've done great things, but you need resources or help to get through it. And that's business, that's life, that's everything that we do, and sometimes we forget these top athletes that we watch on TV, whether it's golf or what have you. They have coaches galore, right? They've got strength
yes.
coaches, they've got head coaches, they've got technique
Nutritionists and
coaches.
this and that. And yes,
Nobody that's super successful really does it on their own. We might not see this, but nobody that's
correct.
super successful does this on their own.